Here's how I make an almost full-body first-person controller in Unity. Download this Unity package, remove it, rate it, import it into Unity. Next, make or find a character model. I use Fuse, which is free on Steam. Upload your model to Mixamo and follow the steps to rig it. Once rigged, download in T-Pose. Find a walking animation and download it without skin. Repeat for all the animations you want, but make sure you have at least these. Import the animations into Unity. For each animation, rename its clip to something clear and set it to loop. Create an animation controller and open it. Create a blend tree. Add 2 float parameters for the X and Y inputs. Set blend type to 2D freeform directional and the blend parameters to your X and Y parameters. Add 9 motion fields. Assign your animations to the fields and set their blend weights like this. Add a first-person prefab to the scene and set its Y position to 1. Disable any modules you don't need and set the head bob to a much lower value. Delete the main camera, then add an empty game object as a child of the first-person controller. Call it model container or something. Set its Y position to -1. Drag your character model onto this empty game object. Add an animator to the model. Create a new folder called Textures. Select all the character textures. Duplicate them, then move the duplicates into the new textures folder, and move that folder to the assets folder. Create the materials for each part of the model except for the eyes and lashes. You don't need them, so disable them in the inspector. Press play and open the character's main albedo in your preferred image editing software. Erase any parts of the head and save as a transparent PNG. Magic decapitation. Now we have no head shadow. Expand your model skeleton and create a sphere in the place of the head. Remove its collider and set cast shadows to shadows only. Magic decapitation. Open the script for the first-person controller and add an animator variable. Assign the animator using getComponentedChildren. Write out this block of code that updates our blend tree based on inputs. I added this snippet of code to adjust the camera's position when sprinting. And it works, but where's his shoe? Select all the character meshes and check Update when off-screen. There's the shoe. Check out my game on itch.io to see my first implementation of this in action.